Hey there folks, it's Dub here. We're out in the backyard and I'm just messing around, have no idea what I'm doing really at all. I'm trying to make kind of a clay mud fireplace, got kind of like a Dakota fire hole style thing going here. I'm just trying to get this stuff to kind of dry up, and then what I'm going to do is make a chimney portion here. Don't know if I'm going to do like a rocket stove style thing or just have kind of a chimney to kind of pull it through. So I'm just messing around, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I thought it'd be fun to try out. I haven't done this yet. The Firebiner from Outdoor Element, so this is a little sparky deal. So I thought I'd try and use this to spark up a little fire here. Got some dry wood, and then just gonna use some paper towel, which is always a good starter. So let's see if we can get something going here. If you can light her up. Oh, let's see here. It's a little windy today, folks, so it might take a little bit. Let's see. Turn that over to itself. Start putting that down in there. We'll get some of these pieces of cardboard to kind of light up on top. And hopefully this will be enough for us. But I brought enough paper towel out that it shouldn't really be an issue. We can keep that going right here on the top parts. Put a little bit more wood pieces up here. See if we can get this whole thing to light up and get going for us. Got some wood and some paper and whatnot stuff down in there. Alright, and some extra bits of wood and some starter. So again, a little Firebiner, like it got going just fine there. We've got some more of our paper towel and whatnot. We'll just kind of put in there. Seeing as how we're not in a survival type situation and we can afford to burn a little paper towel, we'll do that. So I'm hoping that fire is getting down in there to some of those little pieces of wood and whatnot. Pieces here. Again, we can toss some of that down there. Alright, we got the other end here and blow a little bit and see if we can get this thing to work for us. There we go. Now we're getting a little, so maybe we'll go ahead and feed up some other of these wood pieces up on the underneath side here. Let's see if we can get that to kind of take too. Again, like I said, I've never done this. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I started doing this a little bit ago, and I did not wait for it to dry out here too much. I went ahead and just went for it. I was kind of experimenting, want to see what's going to happen. So anyway, this is kind of just an experiment at this point in time. So if this thing starts taking off and get going, I'll come back to it and show you folks what's going on. But at this point in time, I'm just going to let it run, and you can watch if anything funny or goofy happens, and we'll just keep going. Toss a little more paper up there. A few more of these little bits. All right, let's see how it goes. I've got a fire bellows. I guess I should have thought to have brought that out here today. I'm gonna tuck this scarf up so you don't gotta see me catch my face on fire. Which, hey, who knows? That might go viral, right? That'd be a good video. Alright, so what I did here was I had a small hole that I dug an impression. I kind of rock lined and made kind of a rim, kind of a horseshoe piece for this part, and then laid wood pieces across for this to build this portion up. And again, like I said, if this works out and this thing stays and starts to dry out, I will begin to build a chimney portion around here. So we just have to see how all that works out, if it works for us or not. Interesting little kick back there. Good thing we took the scarf in, huh? Well, I think I'll just tend this here for a while, and if anything interesting happens, we'll come back to show you folks. All right, thanks for tuning in. Dub out for this one.